Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to this English session, and today we are going to talk about reading. So I don't know, whether you like reading or not. So perhaps the question for you: how long do you read in one day, and what is your interesting topic? Especially in Indonesia, because it has been famous that Indonesian people, they lack of reading. So the reading intensity just like very low comparing with other countries. For example, like in Europe, they read a lot in a day. It can be like 3 or 4 hours reading. But how about you? Perhaps we are only reading the social media, maybe. So we don't want to read a book. Only some people who read a book. Well, in order to make you like reading, so the first we need to understand how to read correctly, how to read in order to get the point. So here I would like to tell you some reading strategy for the beginner. The first is punctuation. So punctuation is the signage on the reading. For example, like comma, and then full stop, and then question mark, and others. So you have to be careful when you are reading a text, with that punctuation. So what you should do when you find comma, and what you should do when you find full stop. At the end, I will give you an example of reading. And then the second one is underlying and highlighting. Underlying, underlining means, so you emphasize part of the reading with more or with higher intonation. So you give more intonation for the highlight things, for the things that you think important. For example, Mr. John is a very kind person. He always go to some different places bringing his smile and his warm greeting. But one thing that you need to know, Mr. John is a playboy. So playboy is the underlining or highlight word that you need to highlight to the listener, as a reader. Okay, next keyword. So keyword is the word that become the key for every single part of the reading. So you need to know what is the main things that you have to understand on the text. What is the main word that you need to know the meaning in order to know the whole of the meaning. And then summarizing. Summarizing means, you have to be able to summarize the text that you read. For example, you read the text for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences, and after that, you have to be able to summarize what actually the reading about, so you can retell the content of the reading. So after you read, so you can tell to somebody else that, oh yeah, the reading is about this, about this, about this, something like that. Then body language. Body language is just like really important. So when you read, you have to be careful with the distance. So you have to make it, for example, like I think the best one is around like 20 to 30 centimeters from your eyes. Don't make it too close, because when you make it too close, it's just like perhaps people will think that perhaps you would like to sleep, right? Or too far, so you cannot see the word, and then that's gonna be not good for your eyes. So make it ideal. And then the posture, the position of your body. So sitting is gonna be nicer than sleeping. When you sleep and then read, so it's gonna be not very good for your for your eyes. Yeah, so make a proper place, yeah, make a proper position and take the nicer place for you to read. Yeah, so it's depend on you. Some of you perhaps you like reading on the in the garden, some of you like reading in front of your house, or some maybe of you like reading while you are in the toilet. Yeah, it's depend. Okay, next I will give you example of reading here. So the example is just like very simple, but it's nice to read. Yeah, okay, I give you example here. The title of the reading is Future Perspective. I was very impressed with this article. However, I did not agree with the idea of teachers being fully replaced by computer. I believe that teachers will continue to play the role in the education system. There are some things like communication and interpersonal relationships, like the article mentions, that cannot be taught via computer. Also, I believe that reinforcement by teacher using computer and their technology keeps the student on task and focus. Without a teacher, student would be free to roam around the building all day. Well, that's it, the example of the reading. Yeah, so you need to be careful with the punctuation. When there is comma, so you have to be slowly, and when there is full stop, so you have to stop. Yeah, thank you very much. And for your assignment, I just want you to reread again this reading, and then you need to record your voice while you read this article. Thank you very much, you, and bye bye.